Hey, hey! So we're gonna try this horrible game that I'm really bad at. Protect your candy. Phantoms don't like the light. I really am not good at this game. There we go. Yeah, I just want to see if the prize has changed. Probably gonna be lucky if I get to level 5. Oh, what the? Oh, okay. Told you I was bad at this game. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I did that. For a piece of candy, dude, I'll give you candy. Just get in the things. Get in there. Oh. Oh my gosh! No! Oh. I think my computer mouse is playing up too. Yes, let's blame that. Ah! No, 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 no. Oh my god, just get in there. Ding! I just want to see what the prize is. Just chill out. What level do you get the prize at? I really don't like this game. It's very highly annoying. Oh, sorry. Get my candy. Oh, it just lagged. Get in there. Come on, what level are we at? 5. Where's the prize? Is it level 10? Get in there. Hiya! Gosh, I can't see them. My face was really dark. Oh gosh, this screen. Go! You in there. You in there. You. Let's do level 10. I can't even make it to level 10. Oh gosh. That was close. Really close. There. Ah! No! Oh my god, lagged. Oh! 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 Oh my gosh. Oh my god. This is on level 8, really? Oh my god, where was I even taking it? Oh my god! Why did I just push it into the candy? What? 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 Oh my gosh! See, that was like, oh my god. I just literally pushed it into the candy. Did I just... Oh. Why did I do that? She's too stressed out. This game is highly stressed! Okay, I don't like this game. I really don't like this game. I really don't like this game. And it's so easy. That's such a silly thing. Dude, I was on level 9. Where? Go away. Silly. Get in there. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Unless nobody's trading me. Normally people, your buddies come. They will trade you and it will introduce you to the game. That really sucks. Oh, Bagula. Oh! Oh my gosh, I'm late. I'm meant to be in school right now. It's starting. That's bad. I don't know! No! Okay, so... this video is meant to be about seeing what the prize is. This video is just going to be about me failing. I really need to go to school. 10 minutes late right now. And I got really bad hay fever. Does somebody else get hay fever? It's really horrible. Oh! I think it's just me. Oh my gosh. This takes me long. I'm so impatient. Like, oh my gosh. That was a fail! Oh. Don't eat my candy, it's poisoned. It's a trap. Oh my gosh. That would have actually been so in. Why aren't you getting in? Are you serious? Oh great, now you're never getting in. You get in there. Ah! No. What do you do at this point? What do you do at this point? Like, I'm serious. What do I do? Get out of there! Ah! No. Oh. Oh. This is really painful. Like, really painful. Every year I do not play this. Well, I have, just to see what the prize is. But I will not intentionally play this game. It's... Oh. I think AJ just was rage. Okay, level 3, hurry up. I need to go to school. Ah! Don't do that. Silly, silly phantom. It is mostly me. I'm really not good at this. And I'm not concentrating, so it makes it worse. It's your brother! Cha! Oh! Why did I just scream like that? Seriously? Oh my god! Stop screaming, little fed dude. Just take it nice and slow. Nice. Ah no! Oh my gosh, that was so quick. If that, oh my god, if that hadn't got the candy, I was gonna rage quit so bad. Gosh. Ah! Nah. Oh, no. Yeah, nah. Oh my gosh, this is... Oh my god, this is the worst. That was only level 7, I was nowhere near. Oh. I remember this taking so much quicker. I thought you got a prize at level 5. Did you? Silly thing. Level 4. Oh! Lagged. Level 5. I can't believe I pushed him to the candy before. What the heck? Six. Oh, this is where I start. Oh, I start to like panic play. That's where I stuff it up. Oh my god, it lagged. It lagged. Oh. Yay, level 7. Ching! Oh my gosh. So stressful. Cause you start rushing and you rush and then steer them in the wrong direction. You can put yourself in there, dude. Run! Ah! Ah! Oh my god. Oh my god. Get in there. Oh my gosh. You so... Okay, breathe. 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 Now this is where I'm gonna stop up. Yes, yes. No! Ah! No, no! Level 9, no! Oh my gosh. Please, this sucks. I can't do this anymore. Oh, this is so painful. Oh my gosh! Oh, I just lit it. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. See, I'm losing it now. I just pushed it to the candy. It's like, eat my candy! What? Oh. Faster, faster. Level 10, let's go. Go, go, go. Come on, come on. Next level, go. Go, 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 go. Let's see if we rush it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh. Okay. Okay. Should I just give up now? I think I should just give up now. Because it's really bad. Dude! What the? Are you serious? Oh. I'm so late for school, it's not even funny. Okay, we can do this. Come on, level 10. I just want to hit level 10! How hard is that? Fly. Where do they even go anyway? Okay, come on, we're trying to speed it. Oh. Okay, okay. Okay, halfway, level 5. Gosh, I can't believe I was on level 9 before. And I think it's because I'm talking to. Sorry about the screaming. Oh my god. Level 6. I think it's when I know that I'm like close that I lack concentration. Uh-oh. That was bad. That was bad! Somebody hop in there! Oh! No! Oh my gosh. That was so lucky. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh. Okay. Dude, you're in there. Ah! Nah. Nope! Nope! Nope. Nope! I'm not playing. This is... Can somebody just comment what the prize is, please? Because I am not playing that. Oh no, I refuse. No. That is so... No. Oh my gosh. That's... Oh. I cannot do that. Oh my gosh. Oops, sorry. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna like lay here. Blah. Gosh, can somebody please show me what the prize is? And show me what the prize is, please? Because I am not, there's no way I'm doing that. At all. Yeah, there's no way. What is that? Doghouse. That's a horrible adventure. Actually, that's really bad. For me, anyway. This is an artist. Anyway, I'm gonna wrap that up. That was a fail of a video. But, yeah. I'm gonna check out the next adventure soon. And... yeah, that's less ragey. Okay, ciao.